What happens to your body when you stop eating for 24, 48, or even 72 hours? Fasting has been practiced for centuries, but science now proves its incredible benefits from fat burning and mental clarity to cell regeneration and immune system reset. In the first 12 hours, your body runs on glucose from your last meal, but after 16 hours, it starts burning stored fat for energy. By 24 hours, you enter autophagy, a process where your body cleans out damaged cells and regenerates new ones, which may protect against diseases like Alzheimer's and cancer. At 48 hours, your body is in deep ketosis, burning fat rapidly, and growth hormone levels surge by up to 5 times to preserve muscle. By 72 hours, fasting triggers a complete immune system reset, regenerating white blood cells and improving metabolic health. But is it safe? Fasting up to 72 hours is generally beneficial for healthy individuals. But if you have diabetes, are pregnant, or have a medical condition, consult a doctor first. My 72-hour fasting experience was transformational. I felt lighter, more focused, and full of energy. The first 24 hours were tough, but by day 3, I had zero hunger and felt mentally and physically reset. If you're looking for a way to burn fat, boost energy, and enhance longevity, fasting could be a game changer. Would you try a 24, 48, or 72-hour fast? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more science-backed health experiments.